Hi, my name is Luis, and in this video we will talk about the efficient use of energy in the design of buildings using Sefaira. We will use the strategies of facade glazing, override glazing ratio, building orientation, and software shading. And here in the last floor, we will apply all of them. As we can see here, it is the most efficient from our reference point, which is the baseline concept, which basically is the one that doesn't have any of the strategies mentioned included in its design of this floor. All of them are floors. So it is important to notice beforehand that to be able to model, we always use the south side of the floors. Here is the north, here is the south. So in this case, the first strategy is facade glazing. In this case, I'm going to show you a graph where we can see here that the change is constant from the 0.4 point till 0.8. And basically that's the reason because we went for the 0.4 option, as the change from here to here is the same, which is the one that gets the least amount of energy. And then on the second part, we can see here that is override glazing ratio. As we can see here, the change is constant, but in the point 0.2, we can see here that is the least amount of energy that our floor will get from the exterior. And then the last part was the software shading, that basically we're able to see here that the shade was applied in the south of our building, and the ratio is 0.75 of the length of our window. If the window is 1 meter, then this is 75 centimeters. And on regards the override glazing ratio, it is here, only applied again in the south, which is 0.2 as we mentioned. And then in facade glazing, as we can see here in the south, we just apply the 0.4. And then, as we can see here from the reference of the floor design that has all the strategies applied, we can see here that is the one that spends the least amount of energy. And that's the reason because from this reference point, all of the others have an increased amount of energy usage. Here we'll be able to see all the differences that are mainly because of the usage of the energy required to maintain the temperature in our building. As we can see here, as expected, this is the floor that expended the least amount of energy, which we can see here that is 26,553 kilowatts per hour per year. And then overall, we can see here that is 117,073 kilowatts hour per year. Thank you.